Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So in this video we'll talk about an environment variable. So environment variable is a variable whose value can be changed without impacting the process. Let me open Blue Prism and create an environment variable. Go to System tab. So here you can see there are two menus available for environment variable. One is for objects environment variable, other is process environment variable. But do not worry about this. This both shares a common data. So click any of these lists, environment variable list, and on right side you can see add a variable option. Click there and enter the name of your variable in first box. Let me expand this. Select the type, text, enter the description if you want, it is optional. Now the main thing is enter the value of your environment variable. Now click on apply and save your changes. So you can see it in an objects environment variables as well. As I already told, these both lists are common. So if you want to remove this, click the environment variable, click on remove. Now delete selected variable. Done. So this is how we can create and delete the environment variable, and these are the steps you can note down. So let me create another variable and use it in my process, Blue Prism process. So one important thing is that you can only enter and modify the value of an environment variable from here only. You can't modify the value of a environment variable in the process. So let me drag drop a data item and create an environment variable. Name is file path. Now data type is text, and the exposure is environment variable. So let me select this from list. So here you can see we can't modify the value of environment variable. It is not enabled. We can't edit or modify this value. Okay, save it. So here is our environment variable in our Blue Prism process. So we can create it from System tab and use it here. And if we want to change the value of environment variable, we have to go to System tab. So if we change the exposure of this variable, so we can modify the value of, because this is not an environment variable now, so we can modify the value of this as well. So see, okay.